Hello everyone, we at IEEE Student Branch VIT Pune welcome you to the induction program. So before we start selling
कट इतना ऑनेस्ट नहीं राशि.
Alright, so welcome you all. And right now I'm very nostalgic because 2 years back even I was in your position, drowning in self-deprecation for not performing well in the doomed exam of JEE and wondering if I'd really get another shot at it. But that didn't happen, and I'm really glad that it didn't happen because recently I met with a couple of friends who are from, these fancy colleges that I don't want to name. And trust me, I had the most things to talk about when it came to technical work, be it projects in different domains, be it research, be it any cutting edge technologies, and I felt really proud at that time. And I want to attribute a major chunk of this to IEEE Student Branch for helping me throughout these 3 years of my college life. And no, they are not paying me to say all of this. So well, jokes apart, let's see what we really do at IEEE.
IEEE is a global organization and the largest professional society in the world. It is made up of over 35 societies and 10 regions that all contain their own sections, subsections, student branches, chapters, and affinity groups.
Workshops, seminars, industrial visits, social visits, and unofficial dinner parties. Hi, my name is Aditya and I am a third year computer engineering student. I would like to share my experience specifically about the web development workshop. In first year, I kickstarted my IEEE journey with this workshop itself, and 1 year later, I was fortunate enough to be an instructor in this workshop. We conducted a hands-on workshop and we built 2 fully functional websites, one of which was Tinder for Dogs. We at IEEE believe in a unique way of delivering content in our workshops by maximizing participant interaction, Q&A sessions, and fun-filled Kahoot quizzes with exciting prizes too.
Hi, I'm Tejas Pradhan and I'm in my third year studying computer engineering. One of the best things about the IEEE community here at VIT is the combined will of everyone to learn more and propagate knowledge. Throughout the year, we conduct so many different workshops on cutting-edge technologies like cybersecurity, data science, artificial intelligence, and much more. An IEEE workshop is one of the most enriching experiences that I have had in my college life. I've been fortunate enough not only to learn but also teach in many of these workshops. You end up networking with many motivated individuals, making new friends, having a lot of fun, and at the end of it, you have learned so much more than you could have imagined in just over a weekend. I would definitely recommend these workshops to each and every person entering the college now. Thank you.
It can only be volunteered. It cannot be conscripted. Greetings everyone, I'm Shlok Yadav. I'm from the ENTC department, currently in my second year. And I'm also a part of the executive committee at IEEE VIT Pune. So we at IEEE VIT Pune are completely in line with this idealistic principle. And we not only believe in gaining more knowledge as a team, but also imparting it to the next one. Which brings us to conducting a lot of workshops year round. So one such example of the fine workshops which we conduct was the chatbot workshop. The essential deliverable of this workshop was building a full-fledged chatbot which could be deployed on any application such as an app or a website. But with the unfortunate fact that there was a pandemic going on when the workshop was conducted, we had to move the workshop online. But with a holistic approach and one-to-one doubt clearing sessions, we not only ensured that all the concepts were cleared thoroughly, but also ensured that the audience had an experience like never before. So I urge you all to be a part of this experience yourselves as well. I would also want you to visit all our websites and visit our Instagram handle as well. And I'm really hoping to see you a part of the audience next time.
IEEE, being an international organization, conducts a 24-hour-long global coding competition known as Extreme, where members across the world participate individually or in a team of 2 to take up this challenge that is nothing short of its name. Besides this, we organize a college-level coding competition called SetCode, where a dedicated team designs a set of head-breaking problems to challenge the problem-solving skills of students. Even the pandemic did not stop us. we successfully hosted Code Bash, a coding competition, ML Hack, a 2-day machine learning hackathon, and Zenith, which was a front-end website development competition.
Hey everyone, my name is Anjali and I am a second year student from Computer Department. At IEEE, I am a part of the Android team where we work with Flutter. The first that I got introduced to Flutter was in my first year. After that, I got exploring, and after I had learned a few things in Flutter, I thought I was ready to create an actual project. But that was not the case. I realized that there was a difference between learning a technology and actually using it to create something out of it. This is where IEEE played an important role for me. It was only after joining this club that I got my first industry project, which was creating a grocery app and an inventory management app for APMC. Not just that, I got to work with an amazing team from which I got to learn a lot of new things. So if new opportunities and a good peer group is what you're looking for, then IEEE is the right place.
Hello everyone, my name is Ishu Sagar. I am a second year computer engineering student. IEEE वर्ल्ड का सबसे लार्जेस्ट टेक्निकल प्रोफेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है. इफ यू वांट टू नो ऑल अबाउट IEEE, डू चेक आउट आवर वेबसाइट. वहाँ सारी इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगी. फ्रॉम व्हाट IEEE इज से लेकर हम कौन से डोमेन्स पे काम करते हैं, कोडिंग क्लब, हमारे अपकमिंग इवेंट्स, हम सोसाइटी के सपोर्ट के लिए क्या क्या करते हैं, व्हाट डू पीपल से अबाउट अस, और हमारी IEEE फैमिली की मेमोरीज के लिए हमारा गैलरी पेज. सो डू चेक आउट आवर वेबसाइट. यू विल गेट एन आइडिया कि फर्स्ट ईयर के स्टूडेंट्स भी काफी अच्छी वेबसाइट्स बना सकते हैं. टॉकिंग अबाउट द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ वेबसाइट, आई कैन प्राउडली से कि मैं भी वेबसाइट डेवलपमेंट टीम का पार्ट था एंड द एक्सपीरियंस वाज रियली गुड. बहुत सारी चीजें सीखने मिली, टेक्निकल और नॉन टेक्निकल दोनों. फ्रॉम गेटिंग इंट्रोड्यूस टू मॉडर्न डे वेब टूल्स जो अभी ट्रेंड में है, टू लर्निंग एसेंशियल वर्क एथिक्स, वर्क सिस्टम और वर्कलोड को हैंडल करना. काफी चैलेंजेस फेस किए, बट मोर देन मेंटर्स, आवर सीनियर्स एट IEEE वेर लाइक फ्रेंड्स टू अस. और IEEE की कम्युनिटी भी बहुत ज्यादा सपोर्टिव है कि कभी कोई प्रॉब्लम हुई नहीं. वी एट IEEE कोलैबोरेट ऑन ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट. काफी अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है. डोंट मिस दिस वन. सी यू एट IEEE.
Hello guys, this is Shantanu Sontakke from IT department. I have been associated with IEEE student branch VIT Pune for 3 years now, and my experience here has been really great. It's a wonderful place to connect with like-minded people that share the goal of leveraging technology for common good. This is your opportunity to collaborate and work on cutting-edge technologies. Thanks to the support from IEEE student branch of VIT Pune and IEEE Pune section, I was awarded 1.6 lakh rupees funding for my blockchain project, besides developing industry connections. If you wish to work on multidisciplinary projects or need good research to back your master's applications, IEEE is the right place for you.
IEEE is known worldwide for its Digital Explorer library that hoards a treasure for every researcher. For those of you aiming for masters abroad, research is what you should be flaunting in your application to get an edge over others. These papers are published through different journals and international conferences held under IEEE's banner. We at VIT Pune, being one of the largest student branches, have also had the privilege to host an international conference on Industry 4.0, where we had dignitaries and guest speakers coming in from Australia and Japan who talked about how automation has revolutionized the industry and what potential it holds for the future. This conference was held in December 2019.
It's often difficult to find the right place to hone your skills, isn't it? We at IEEE bring you that. Hi, this is Yash Bhangdia from TY Computer Engineering, and I've been a part of this coding club at IEEE since the past 2 years. Right from my first year, coding club has always been helpful for me to shape up my logical skills, my problem solving skills, and also to learn a new set of programming languages. It also provided a healthy and a competitive coding culture which helped me build a strong profile. One of the best things that I like about Coding Club is that it promotes peer learning. So with your friends and also with the mentors that are always there to guide you. And not only limited to these weekly learning sessions, we also have a variety of activities which include quizzes, puzzles, and we also have coding competitions with exciting prizes which make the learning more fun. And most importantly, this club bridges the gap between what you learn from the college and what these companies out there expect from you, which is very helpful in your placements as well. So yeah, I am a proud member of this coding club at IEEE, which actually promotes or motivates every individual to think in the right direction, to form a strategy and apply it.
नमस्कार, मी अनिकेत केसरकर सध्या थर्ड इयर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजिनिअरिंगमध्ये शिकत आहे. मागील 3 वर्षांपासून मी IEEEचा भाग आहे. मी माझ्या फर्स्ट इयरमध्येच IEEEचा मेंबर बनलो आणि सध्या मी IEEE कोर कमिटीमध्ये काम करीत आहे. IEEE क्लब नेहमीच प्रत्येक गोष्टीत अग्रेसर राहत आलेला आहे. हा क्लब जरी जास्त प्रमाणात टेक्निकल गोष्टींशी निगडीत असला तरी सामाजिकदृष्ट्या सुद्धा तितकाच बांधलेला आहे. आम्ही यामध्ये टेक्निकल प्रोजेक्ट्स, वर्कशॉप्स, इंडस्ट्रियल व्हिजिट सोबतच सोशली कनेक्टेड राहण्यासाठी दरवर्षी ऑर्फनेजेस आणि ओल्ड एज रूमला भेटी देतो. त्यांच्यातील लोकांशी गप्पा मारतो आणि त्यांना छोटीशी मदत सुद्धा करतो. मुख्य बाब म्हणजे या कोविड-19 सिच्युएशनमध्ये आम्ही एक सोशल फंड रेझिंग ड्राईव्ह ऑर्गनाईज केलेली होती. याला सुद्धा प्रचंड चांगला रिस्पॉन्स मिळाला. खरंच IEEE मधून टेक्निकली तसेच सोशली कनेक्टेड राहण्याचा लाभ मिळतो. मी तुमचे नेहमीच IEEE मध्ये स्वागत करेल. थँक्यू.
Now, there's a common misconception that IEEE is only for COM, IT or ENTC. No, that's not at all true. We are the most diverse clubs in VIT and we have members coming in from all the branches of the college. Last year, we visited the John Deere factory in Chakhand. They essentially manufacture tractors. Now, we got to visit their assembly line and were intrigued to see real-life applications of what we study in college and what the industry expects from engineers like us. In IEEE, we believe leadership and learning have to go hand in hand. So, if you share the same goal as IEEE, we would like you to join us in advancing technology for humanity. Thank you.
Hey guys, this is Riya Patil and I am a second year ENTC student. I've been a member of IEEE in first year and I am now its EXICOM member. When I was in first year, not having much technical knowledge never posed a problem because IEEE always conducted webinars, workshops as well as coding club sessions. So because of this combination, it proved to be very useful and that is why the amount that was required to become a member was without a doubt worth it. And now that I am an EXICOM member, I get to organize these events that I talked about and I got to see the other side of it and the work that is needed to make an event a success. And after knowing both sides of it, I can safely say that IEEE has always been beneficial for me in one way or another back then and until now, and I'm sure this is what you'll say once you join IEEE.
The better you become, the less time it takes for you to achieve your goals. Hi all, this is Uttara Ketkar, currently in second year chemical engineering. Trust me, I've been in your place about a year ago and I know how flustered you must be as to where you should begin. But speaking from my experience, IEEE has helped me bring out the best version of myself. At IEEE, I could learn new things and that too at the right time. The content that we try to deliver is curated after lots of deliberation, ensuring that there is no compromise on quality. We have also been actively posting on our social media handles about the recent trends and technological advancements, ensuring that all of our members are up to date. Adhering to the demands of our followers, we have also been making beginner-friendly YouTube playlists on n number of topics of interest. These are our social media handles. Go check them out right away. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. As I said, push yourself to the places you have never been before. Hoping to see you at IEEE.